So we are right now putting together a video, kind of like a parody of tips and tricks of how to teach your children and have your children enjoy vegetables. Here's the thing that we've run into though, is that our kids are doing incredibly well, which we were hoping that they would throw more fits, and like, we almost had to like force the fits.
It's 50-50 usually. Like usually 50% of the time we get like a really great sweet response, and then the other 50% of the time we're disciplining and like dealing with toddler issues. But today, even though they didn't take nap at school, they're just like, oh, okay.
We love to cook together. We do it all the time. The kids love cooking together. Are you excited to cook with mommy and daddy?
I don't want to.
Hey Bailey, did you wash your hands?
No, whoop.
Okay, Brady, what do we got here?
Mushrooms.
We got mushrooms,
Peppers.
peppers, what else we got?
Tomato cherries.
Tomato cherries.
That's tomatoes. Tomatoes. I ate them.
You ate it already?
Let's put these over by the sink because we have to wash potatoes.
I want to wash them.
So what do we have to do before we cook the food?
Wash the food.
Wash the food.
Not too many. It will go down the drain. The red goes with the red. The green goes with the green.
Set them on the paper
Ta-da!
towel.
Ta-da!
Powder.
Whoa! I'm so impressed with you boys.
Look at me, a potato.
Can you peel that top layer?
Yeah.
Whoa. You want to eat it right now? You want to take a big bite?
Yeah, I don't want to take a bite.
How is it?
I don't want to take a bite.
Oh, your water's at the table.
This is like the peppers.
Do you like raw onion? That's what we call it before it's cooked. We call it fresh or raw.
What do you think, Brady?
Mom,
Are you going to go spit it out?
water.
Oh, right here.
Is it spicy? It smells a little spicy.
I love the peppers.
I know you do, baby. Bailey's gonna taste one.
Take a big bite. Ah!
Got potatoes.
Got potatoes!
Hot potato, hot potato.
Yeah, potatoes. Potatoes.
Thank you.
You're doing a great job, Bailey.
Hey, I don't know.
Yes, and you're listening. You're bringing everything
I'm
over.
listening. If we didn't wash them, they won't taste yummy. They taste yummy. Take the mushrooms. No!
No?
No! No! They're not
Oh, good job, Brady. What
It's
a
not
smart
ready?
idea.
No. You're not even hungry yet. Babe.
Look at all the colors in there.
Mm-hmm.
Aren't those pretty?
Yeah, they're pretty.
Here, I'm gonna cut all of these and then I'm gonna let you pick them up and put them in there, okay?
Okay. What's this, Daddy? Broccoli. I didn't take them out. It's broccoli.
Whoa.
It was like,
Up, 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 up. Oh no! Oh no!
I fixed it. This inside. Tomatoes.
Here, let's.
Potatoes. Potatoes.
What do you think is the most healthy vegetable that you can eat?
Carrots.
Carrots. Oh, that's a good
Pretty
one.
Good guess.
Boys,
Orange.
this looks so good already.
I want orange.
Can you ask me again, buddy, if you can have that orange?
Can I have a orange, please?
Not right now, baby. We're cooking.
I don't want it anymore.
Hey, Brady, I was just doing that for the video.
And then I have the orange. That one,
Brady, not right now. We're cooking.
Daddy, you're just kidding.
I know. Whoa. Ah! What? Bailey, no, 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 no.
Mix them up with your hands.
Yummy, yummy.
With your hands.
Sauce them in my mouth.
Toss them in my mouth.
Ready?
Can you sauce them
Yeah,
in
ready?
my mouth?
Ready?
Because I have bacon.
Okay, so we are midway through. It's going really well in terms of how
Yeah.
great they're doing, but
Just
for our video purposes of what we're going for, they are not throwing any fits at all. They are being perfect angels. So
But it is an hour past dinner time.
so maybe we'll get some really good footage. Hey
Let's
boys,
go.
boys, we're not done cooking.
Oh. to cook.
Put your hand, Brady. Put your hand right here. We're gonna do the thing for the video again. Wait until when Daddy says go. Okay? Put your hand right there. Brady, no,
Whoa.
put your hands. Good job, baby.
I did it.
You wanna do it, Bailey?
Yeah.
Okay, put your hands right there. Bailey, watch your hands. Watch your hands. Watch your hands.
You want to put me in a pot?
I'm gonna pick you up and drop you in the pot like a pot. Okay, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm a vegetarian.
Do it better.
I'm not actually a vegetarian. Oh, you know what?
T-Rex.
I all of a sudden am craving Bailey stew. Oh,
It's hot.
I all of a sudden just became a vegetarian again.